Today we'll be talking about Newton's three laws of motion. Newton's three laws of motion are the foundation for classical physics, or physics dealing with speeds much lower than the speed of light. The first law of motion is the law of inertia, which states that objects keep their state of motion until acted on by a force. For instance, when you're in a moving car and it suddenly brakes to a halt, your body lurches forward because your body is still moving at the same speed as the car originally was moving. Newton's second law of motion states that the total force exerted onto an object is equal to the object's mass times the object's acceleration, where the mass of an object is the amount of stuff the object contains, and the acceleration of an object is how fast the object's speed changes. So, for example, let's say a 2-kilogram ball is accelerating to the right at 10 meters per second squared. Then the total force is equal to 2 kilograms times 10 meters per second squared, or 20 kilogram meters per second squared. And finally, the third law of motion says that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So, for instance, the Earth exerts a gravitational force on the Moon, but the Moon actually exerts the same gravitational force on the Earth. The Earth just doesn't move because it's so much more massive. In fact, the waves coming in and out from the ocean are an example of the Moon's gravitational pull.